The United States, through the State Department, has given the green light for the sale of 9 Boeing KC-46A tanker aircraft to Japan, with an estimated contract value of $4.1 billion. In addition to the aircraft, the package also includes a number of critical equipment, such as 18 PW4062 turbofan engines, 16 AN/ALR-69A radar warning receivers, 33 LAIR-CM Guardian infrared countermeasure systems, and ANAPX-119 identification friend or foe missile warning sensors and transponders. The addition of the new aircraft will increase Japan's KC-46A fleet to a total of 15 units, complementing the 6 aircraft already in service or on order. The aircraft are operated by the Japan Air Self-Defense Force, JASDF, specifically the 405th Aerial Refueling Squadron, which was formed in December 2020 to handle these tanker operations. The Boeing KC-46A has a fuel capacity of up to 96,161 kilograms and can refuel various types of fixed-wing aircraft. Powered by 2 twin-flow turbofan engines, the aircraft is equipped with a refueling boom controlled by a fly-by-wire system, which enables seamless fuel transfer during flight. In addition, the aircraft is equipped with an advanced self-protection system, making it capable of operating in high-risk areas. The deal also includes spare parts support, personnel training, training equipment, and logistics and technical services. Major companies such as Boeing, Pratt & Whitney, RTX, and Northrop Grumman will be key partners in the project. According to the Defense Security Cooperation Agency, DSCA, Japan's KC-46A fleet upgrade aims to strengthen the security of the Indo-Pacific region and support the national security interests of the United States. These aircraft will enhance Japan's aerial refueling and passenger transport capabilities, which will help strengthen defenses against existing and future threats. As the first international customer for the KC-46A, Japan contributed to the production process with about 16% of the aircraft's components made by local subcontractors. The KC-46A can refuel Japanese and American aircraft, complementing the fleet of 4 KC-767J tankers already in use by the JASDF. This addition to the KC-46A fleet is considered strategic for Japan in strengthening its air defense capabilities, especially amid the evolving security dynamics in the Indo-Pacific region. With the increase in the number of air tankers, Japan will be increasingly able to support long-range flight operations, both for aerial refueling missions and logistics transportation. Air refueling capability is a key element in maintaining the operational readiness of military fighters and transport aircraft, allowing them to fly farther and stay longer in the air without having to return to base for refueling. It also increases flexibility and effectiveness in a variety of operating scenarios, both in military emergencies and humanitarian disasters. In addition, this cooperation strengthens the defense relationship between the United States and Japan, underscoring Japan's important role as a key U.S. ally in the region. In the regional context, the upgraded KC-46A fleet also strengthens Japan's defense posture against potential threats from countries expanding military influence in East Asia and the Pacific. For Boeing and its industry partners, the deal is also an opportunity to continue developing and expanding the operational base of KC-46A aircraft in the international market. The aircraft, first operated by the United States Air Force, is now an important component of the defense strategies of several allied countries. Japan's move to strengthen its air fleet including the addition of KC-46A tankers, is in line with a more proactive national defense policy. It also reflects Japan's commitment to ensuring adequate self-defense capabilities amid geopolitical uncertainties and evolving threats in the region, such as increased military activity in the East China Sea and tensions on the Korean Peninsula. The KC-46A fleet is not only important in terms of aerial refueling, but also plays a vital role in strategic logistics transportation. It can carry military personnel and equipment to hard-to-reach locations, especially in emergency or conflict situations. In disaster management scenarios, it can also serve as an important asset for large-scale delivery of humanitarian aid. From a collective defense standpoint, the addition of the KC-46A adds value to the interoperability capacity between Japan and the United States. This will facilitate more effective joint operations, both in joint military exercises and in real operation scenarios. In addition, this fleet upgrade strengthens Japan's position as a country that contributes significantly to maintaining stability and peace in the Indo-Pacific region. Through this program, Japan is also further strengthening its own defense industry with participation in the aircraft production process. The involvement of Japanese subcontractors in the manufacture of KC-46A components demonstrates the country's efforts to build a stronger domestic industrial capacity, which will ultimately support the independence and sustainability of future defense programs. Moreover, Japan's move to strengthen its air capabilities through the addition of the KC-46A also highlights the importance of comprehensive military modernization. Japan has been actively adopting new technologies and updating its military doctrine to deal with modern threats, such as cyber attacks, hypersonic weaponry, and electronic warfare systems. The development of a more advanced air fleet, including air refueling capabilities, is part of this strategy. The use of the KC-46A is not limited to military operations. In the broader context of national security, the aircraft can also play a role in diplomatic and humanitarian missions. As a country with a strategic geopolitical position, Japan is often involved in international missions that require air logistics support, such as post-disaster recovery operations in the Asia-Pacific region. The KC-46A, with its large carrying capacity and range, enables Japan to respond quickly to crisis situations, both domestically and overseas.